Hello students, welcome to my channel Concept and Application. In today's video, I am going to discuss about sequence and progression. This is a very important chapter of your syllabus. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the basic differences between the concepts of sequence and progression. Now, let's begin with the concept of sequence. What is sequence? Sequence is the ordered list of numbers which are arranged according to some logical rule. So what is sequence? This is the ordered list of numbers arranged according to some logical rule. Let's consider an example. Then I hope the concept will be more clear to you. Suppose I am taking the sequence of prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Obviously, we know this is an infinite sequence because there are infinite number of prime numbers and it is represented by using the second brackets, and hence considering all the terms of this sequence we find that they are prime numbers, but from this arrangement, if you observe it carefully, you will find we can never predict any particular prime. That is, if you want to get the general term, general prime number, then you will not be able to get it. Why? Because if you observe this arrangement, you will find it is not following any particular formula. So that is why from this arrangement, we can never get any specific term because this sequence is not associated to any formula. Let's consider another example. 1, 5, 11, 19, 29 and so on. So this example also states that it is a sequence from which we can never find any specific term because it is not following any formula. It is not associated to any formula. Now let's consider another sequence of this form. 5, 8, 11, 14, 17 and so on. Now, if you observe all the terms of this sequence, you will find that 8 minus 5 is equal to 11 minus 8 is equal to 14 minus 11 equals to 17 minus 14 and so on. Hence, all the differences are equal to the specific number 3. So, here we find that this particular sequence, the terms of this particular sequence is following a specific formula. That is, they are arranged with a definite arrangement. The sequence follow a definite pattern. Let's consider another example. 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. Now this example of a sequence also gives us that 8 by 4 equals to 16 by 8 equals to 32 by 16 and equals to, it's continuing in this way, and hence all these quotients are equal to the fixed number, that is 2. So this particular sequence also follow a definite pattern, that is the terms are arranged in a definite way, following a definite pattern. So this particular sequences of which we find the terms are arranged in a definite pattern are called the progressions. They are called the progressions. So progressions are also the sequences, but they follow a definite pattern. So this is the basic difference between the sequence and the progression. So here finally we may conclude that all progressions are sequences, but all sequences are not progressions. Make sure there are different types of progressions. In my next video, I'll discuss about those types of progressions. So here in this video, we have got the differences between the sequence and the progressions. Thank you, students.